Is anyone else confused as to why shares of Hartford Insurance are up 5% over the last week when Hurricane Ian just decimated Florida, causing up to $75 billion in damages in its wake? After all, Hartford is one of the largest insurers in the United States, and you'd think they'd be on the hook for a ton of money. Well, not exactly. You see, I did some digging and noticed that Hartford Insurance has spent over $1 million on lobbying for something called the National Flood Insurance Program. I looked it up, and basically it would give FEMA billions of dollars of funding if an event like a major flooding occurs, like what happened in Florida. And conveniently, this would help offset a lot of the potential claims that Hartford would have to pay. And it just got approved a few days ago, which would explain the rise in Hartford's stock price. Now, here's where it gets interesting. At the same time that Hartford was lobbying for this bill, we can see lawmakers loading up on insurance companies. For example, Congressman Whitman bought shares of Hartford just earlier this year. And Congresswoman Manning bought shares of Berkshire Hathaway twice in the past few weeks, which if you didn't know, Berkshire has about $250 billion of finance and insurance companies in its portfolio. The reason I'm telling you this is not because I think FEMA shouldn't have gotten the funding, but to demonstrate the lawmakers are buying stocks in companies that would directly benefit from bills that they're working on. And just to show that this isn't a one-off instance, this is a list of dozens of bills that companies are lobbying for and that lawmakers are trading their stocks in. I made the data public too, so to see it for yourself, just go to Quiver Quant and click on the tab that says Behind the Curtain, and good luck.